This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight bulb. Before we begin, it's crucial to prioritize safety. Always make sure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down for at least 15 minutes. You'll want to have your new bulb ready and wear gloves to protect the bulb's glass. Also, double-check your owner's manual to confirm the exact bulb type needed for your car. Now, let's get to the bulb itself. First, open your car's hood. Look behind the headlight assembly to find the bulb you need to replace. The low beam is usually on the outer side, and the high beam is closer to the center. Once you've located it, gently press the locking clip on the electrical connector and slide it straight off the bulb's base. With the harness disconnected, it's time to remove the old bulb. Gently twist the bulb's base about 1/4 turn counterclockwise. It should then pull straight out of the housing. When installing the new bulb, handle it by its plastic base only, never touch the glass. Align the tabs, push it in, and rotate it 1/4 turn clockwise until it feels secure. Almost done. Now, firmly push the electrical wire harness back onto the base of your new headlight bulb until it clicks into place. Once everything is reconnected, close your car's hood. Turn on your headlights to ensure the new bulb illuminates properly. For optimal visibility and a balanced appearance, many people choose to replace both headlight bulbs at the same time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.